Ski, we're back. Orange. Yo, Jerry. Buddy old pal, you wanna smoke now? You gotta speak to me, Jerry. It can't end like this. You gotta live through this. You gotta survive. If they come up to you, you know what, I want you to fall on them. I want you to just splat them. I want there to be a river of blood. I know it sounds... Jerry, speak to me. Jerry, come on! Come on, Jerry! Jerry, please! Hi. Hi, Jerry. You wanna be like that? All these trees were cut down. Nature's being destroyed, and I don't think I can do anything about it. Here we go. This used to be a tree. Her name was Beth. Born 2004. Her favorite sport was hockey. Why? Speak to me, Jerry. Please, Jerry. Anyone. Please. Let me make one thing clear to you. You see that? You see that field over there? That used to be trees. Completely trees. But these people came by and said, hey, we need one horse. So, when we get that horse, let's make a pen for about 1,000 horses, because that's really necessary, you know? Look at that. I see one horse in the whole thing, and it's in the very, very corner. That's kind of sad. Like, I feel bad for the horse. Look at it. For the people who couldn't afford that, they decided to insert themselves into nature and completely... Look at it. Oh god. What is this? It's a cultured low-fat milk smoothie. Suck my ass. That's pretty bad. Forgot to pay my bills, and now I live here. Wow.